Alafia. Peace, 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 family. Always. Peace, love, oneness, and divine vitality on all energy grids. So, for ones that are new, welcome to my channel. We're uplifting the soul to inner self. Empowerment is the go. Let's go. How we doing? You know, it ain't doing, it's feeling. You know, the balance of both of them. You know, somebody, they don't say how you doing, say how you feeling. You know, it's the fact that it's a business. I was just talking to one of my divine children, Divine Grace, on the alignment. Talking to one of my divine children about the words, the binding, the manipulation, and how it's a business. It's a business, you know? When we talk about this fruit, going back, you know, to the mounds and seeing the boat come to the mounds. And baby got off this boat in them black robes and stuff. You know how the Pope's Catholic came right off the boat. Some of them walked the trails. Some of them walked the Mark Twain trail. Okay, ancestors. Okay. They said be obedient. But the divineness of these stories, my loves, coming to the mounds. I had to slow down on channeling. And then, I don't know if you heard that, but the bamboo water fountain, baby, was for the start buffering. So, yeah, you're going to be obedient. Oh, shade the Shango and no good. I learned today about this technology, baby. And it's the... I can't say that either. You know what? That's when you know it's certain cross watches when we doing these certain energy grids at this specific time on this timeline. Cause some is stuck. Okay, so I was finna go straight to it, y'all. Let's flex. Y'all ready? Divine Atonement. Giving divine grace to the ancestors of the all of divine lights, the all of divine darkness, the all divine void, the all of etheric centers, the all of inner earth, the all of outer earth, the all of centers of the earth. Ashe, Atsi, Alafia, Kabbalah Tuk. So, you know, start with the notes first because I was channeling, baby, and there's a lot of things coming in. And ancestors said, be obedient because the cross watches. And that's understood. Talk about cross watches, you know, and when we're talking about cross watches on our channels, y'all, it be deep, the depth of self-identity. And ones that are really doing the work to advance their creativity, their authenticity. All these frequencies still equal abundance in some type of way. So there are ones that haven't truly tapped into that self-identity because that lost I was found, but then it looked somewhere and you were supposed to take heed with your discernment, but yet you got lost in somebody else's source. It could be triggering. I understand for the cross watchers, but baby, been there, done that. Been there, done that. You know, those high school energies, you know. You were double dutching. Oh, she did a twist with her double dutch. I can't do the twist like she did the twist. You know what I'm saying? This stuff back in high school. Instead of, you know what, do that twist. Ask her how she did that twist. How you do that twist. She tell you how to do that twist and bless you, and then you start doing the twist. But to sit in that energy of, why I can't do it like that? Or how's it like that? And get lost in the sauce of self-identity. I'll show Spirit. Now Spirit wants to go to the papers. Mercury retrograde. Sirens 888 reset. The Sirens 888 reset, baby, are for the ones with pure intentions. The ones that have not been manipulating people's thought patterns. The ones that have not been manipulating them speaking their words. You sirens finna sit down somewhere because your bloodline is rolling over. Being aware, here's the next one. Being aware of trauma bonders. They are being energy vampires right now. Here's the other one. Keep your circle small until the alignments are of purity. Divine message from Kaluma. Your secrecy is power at this moment. 622. Test of discernment was another one. Here goes some portals. Subconscious programs of poly. Unhealed attachments. Again, more energy vampires. Consciously and unconsciously. Certain portals are stuck with false flames doing poly. Got time to talk ish. But don't remember the last time they drunk water. I remember saying this one in the Energy Grid read, but it's divine how they wanted me to bring it back. Talk so much ish out your mouth. 707. Don't know the last time you drunk some water. Ain't that something? That's the world we're living in. Show you how the energies engulf other energies. You got time to gossip or talk about what how love doing? What love? Oh, well, she down there off the bank on Got more time to talk about that. Well, you know what? I was thinking we should just go ahead and build, create, elevate. You know, something that is food for the soul. But no. The draining Vatican frequencies, you want to gossip and blasphemy and plan to control and manipulate. I wonder where that stems from. 757. Synchronicities is rolling in. It's too many beautiful souls out here with pure intentions and ready to align. The desire of alignment. For ones to be sitting playing cray-cray out here throwing spell work at people, and it's just your projected illusions of who you think they ought to be, and now you stuck in that world of illusions that you created for somebody else. Ain't that something? Let me get this holy wine. As a magnet, because it's a business. The energy grids have been manipulated for too long, don't you think? Let me get some of this holy wine, y'all. So yeah, you have to leave them in these worlds. These specific matrix-driven simulations that ones are programmed to live in. Interesting thing, I'm telling y'all, as a magnet, look at the ones that's been calling people crazy. Just pay attention to how they look. Don't they look crazy? The energy of crazy went right back to the magnets that sent it out. Something wrong with her. Something wrong with him. Now look at the ones that's been saying it. Where's the self-identity, hunty? Oh, are we ready to talk about these things? To fill a room, give space to fill a room with pure love. And then in the shadows, the little whispers, the bullshit that's been talked comes to the light. Shed a tear to alchemize the negative energy. It bows to pure love. Oh, divine feminine reigns, baby. They just the ones stuck. So keep on. That's why you see a lot of beautiful souls waking up. So I ain't warping them 2 penises. What a woman at? What a woman. What a woman that created both those penises that's on that cross. I want to wear that number. Or the 5-pointed star that just represents man. What about that 6, that 8, that 9 pointed star? Huh? Out here playing crazy. Binding people to they deltas and they alphas and they gammas. Telling you, there's some lethal assassins out here, baby. Consciously and unconsciously. Ignorant. Interesting, that came from the gamma frequencies though. And that's a powerful Hertz frequency. But just that group I channeled. Real consciously ignorant. Ain't that something? Be out here talking real spiritual. Talking, of God frequencies. But still out here doing ignorant shit. That's crazy. That's the genocide. That's what we mean by these energy grids are being replenished, regenerated, detoxed with pure intentions. Baby. Oh. Tearing they butts up with electricity. Oh, baby, you doing too much with that magnet, honey. Shut it down. And there's real ones out here with pure intentions. Ain't even studying you. Didn't even know you was around. Until that, ooh, baby, chosen ones, cosmic magnets. This is how you know you done activated. You ain't even where they at. But the movie The Eye, how that eye just be looking everywhere, and soon as I see you. After so long of playing with a beautiful soul's energy, you thought you wasn't gonna be seen? Oh. This truck that's driving by me, Spirit said, go to. They go into their go-tos now. And some of them, they go-tos couldn't even do it. You done sacrificed your go-tos. Baby. And that Babalawo and Sangoma can't say you this time. What you thought? You done sacrificed their bloodline doing this too. Okay, ancestors. I gotta want to be very powerful cross-watching here. Spirit said, let me at him. Let me at him. Came straight through. I just said some stuff. Ooh. It was quite powerful too. I need some holy wine. Ooh. Don't even be knowing who some of y'all. But your self-identity just was just in the shadows. And like I said, some of them you could just see it. The inner child is in a closet, Indian style, folding both legs, just rocking back and forth. Instead of you meditating and walking into that room and opening that closet and pulling your inner child to you and hugging, caressing, pulling all of your innocence back to your soul, you go out messing with people. That's how that works. Ooh, that was good. Ooh, baby, these unsolved mysteries be something. Like the last one, I lied to my doppelganger. And sacrificing kids and but got locked up trying to hide the baby in a suitcase out here playing cradle. But interesting, they brought me to that because this same group keep coming around in the same phase. And some of these beautiful souls, shape shifting is a frequency. So if one's then learned how to manipulate thoughts and shape shift, ones be wearing people's skin just to have sex with somebody they know they can't be with again. And I'm getting this straight from a Sangoma, Babalawo. When you do practice or energy or open up a portal, baby, you just gave all your business up. And then some of these men be manipulating women because they want to feel like goddess energy. To manipulate with it? You want some goddess energy to manipulate? Okay, ancestor, shut this portal down. We alright. We straight. They want to know how you know what you know when you know. Huh? Let's go and shut it down, shall we? $16 in. Go to nature. Call your mama. Call your daddy. 414, 434, 727. As we're going into 1717, we got some divine synchronicities on the board. We got some ascension symptoms. What else we got? Got some divine sun activations too. A lot of things that was done in the dark coming to the light. Raw sun energy at the bottom of the deck. This deck I made myself. Channeled and made it Risha's on this deck. As I'm shuffling. Shut up. Of course. And they want to see how much you know, but then shut up. Can't get over what I did to you. Yep, that spell work. Gotta go bike. Little do they know. The spirit says, stay out the way. Stay out the way. You've already activated the frequencies. You know your circle's small for a reason now as you keep ascending. You can't get over what they did to you. Hold yourself accountable so you can let it go. Gotta let it go, baby. That's too much of a load. Heart chakra. Heart chakra just came out. Too much of a load. Energy manipulation tactics. Yeah. You gonna learn, baby. And as a magnet, you gonna learn. And then draining energy right at the bottom. Yeah. And boundaries. Gotta set them boundaries. Flow like WaTa. Ashe. So with that being said, the energy manipulation tactics and the heart chakra came out. Raw sun energy. Can't get over what I did to you. Flow like WaTa. Some you putting too much fire in it. And control over the thinking too much. Stop. Flow. Today, just flow. Allow the wind to flow with you. Your simulation, whatever you in today, allow it to flow like water. You are connected to the spirit realm. Talking to a chosen one. You know the sun activates you. Whoever I'm talking to, you know. It's a wrap. Let them just leave them in their world, hunty. This heart chakra came out. Flow like water. Now I'm talking about the chosen ones. Because the other one, it's easy. Just hold yourself accountable. Know where you was wrong at. Consciously, unconsciously, subconsciously. Being aware of the energy that you were giving out. What was healed, what wasn't healed, what triggered you. All of that. Release it. Flow like water. Come back to the sun. Now, chosen ones. Baby, you know you connected, baby. The spirit realm card came out. Them sweet, gentle whispers. Get a couple of them, you know, I ain't gonna play about you, baby. Like I said, you got that gang gang and that kuru, baby. They ain't gonna play. I say light and divine darkness is it's some, baby. They ain't gonna play. They ain't gonna spell. Not during this time. Some stuff was supposed to earth station. Some stuff was supposed to be shifted. One's still stuck and holding blockages because of things they don't want to hold themselves accountable for. And you're still stuck in these same matrix-driven programs. They say subconsciously. $22.11. Okay, spirit. Okay, and they say clarity. Let's do some clarity for your masculine and feminine. Let's get. And we're gonna go ahead and end it. Ain't no stopping this man. Let's go shake your wings, baby. Shake your wings. Come on, shake them wings, baby. Cosmic Magnus, shake your wings. Spirit ain't playing with them. Don't shake them wings. I'm going to keep doing your daily remedies, baby. I just, I'm going to be obedient to what I'm saying, baby. Yes. Big old body of water like that, baby. They can't ride no wave like that, baby. That's too ancient. Some of them, they overthinking too much. Soon as they get body water, nope, I don't want to do that. No, I don't want to. But Spirit told you to go on and dive in. And you did? Oh, baby. 11:11, take me home. Ain't that so? Pathway to true love. Baby, just dive in that thing. Take me home. Already on the mothership. This heart got two golden wings, baby. Shake them wings. Shake them. 11:11. You're home. You're on the mothership. That was a few months ago. Everybody ain't meant to go with you on this mothership this time, baby. Ain't did enough healing, baby. Still out here judging. Still out here listening to the wrong spirits. All right. Mission accomplished. 11:11. Welcome home is the second card. Ashe angels. Ashe Orishas. Ashe Buddha. All omniverse, leave no rock unturned. Baby, when I tell you, they're stuck lost in sauce. That's what you see. Because if it's love, even in your world, your universe of love, the magnet pulsates love, it would be no doubt. It would be no blockages of things. Things would flow like water, Abundance would be flowing in so many different frequencies, right? Oh, okay. Okay. I was tripping. Still out here playing crazy and then acting like you can cloak it. You can't cloak that. That wasn't meant to be cloaked. Auntie Ann is lethal. That wasn't meant to be. Ooh, baby. That's too many. That's too many. That wasn't meant to be cloaked. So keep playing crazy. That was meant to be healed in this lifetime. No longer are we to take things with us to our grave. I shattered it, bound it, broke it, sent it back to its natural habitat. It is not in our bloodline no more. So with that being said, it's up to you to heal what you need to heal in your womb. Hips, everything just buckling in because the energy is still in the womb. Shoulders. Thank you, Spirit. And you got 5-5. And so be obedient. That's it. Break the processing karmic debris. I'm going to put it right in the middle. We got 11-11, 5-5, 11-11. For your divine masculine and feminine within. This is your clarity right here. They said, read it. Bottom of the deck is 2-2. Remember your identity. You can do it. This is the power of what I mean by light and darkness. I'm talking to the magnet, chosen magnets, and I'm talking to the cross watchers. Balance. Oneness. Peace. Love. Remember your identity. Remember who you are. Come back to your vessel and choose love. If not, this card is in reverse. Twin flame facilitator. Expansion, growth. There will be no growth. There will be no expansion. There will be no twin flame facilitations. It's in reverse. This card comes with 2-2. Remember your identity. The other portal keeps pulling in because it wants to know. It's only so much you can do when you've done that much harm. So you have to remember your identity. Whatever you've been playing host to, whatever you've been listening to, cannot bind you unless you allow it. That type of negative energy, hold yourself accountable so you can release it. So you can bind it and send it back where it needs to be. Don't need to be there if you don't want it. If you're ready to change, you got another card in reverse. Holy Grail card. Receive the gift. No, it's not your gift to receive. You don't want to receive a gift that ain't yours. You ain't did no work for. The ignorance is real. Beyond illusion. 6-6. Change your perception. Let's go, Spirit. Because I'm just in here flexing on the deck. The Spirit is talking. Self-identity is a beautiful thing. It'll unbind you from these Vatican frequencies. This is how they bind people, guys. It's a business. You keep thinking that Bible is there for that. Baby, it's more powerful than that. That's why I said, don't give me no Bible, honey, unless it's got the Hebrew symbols in that. Unless it's got every God printed out on a page. Other than that, no. It's scrambled. It's scrambled. It's puzzle pieces. Give it to me real and raw. Yeah. Go ahead and end it. But baby, y'all just don't know. These portals is divine. These lessons are divine. And then you'll know what timeline you're on by the experiences. You know what I'm saying? Oh, the power of quantum physics. Esoterically. Okay. Go ahead and hit it. That being said, cosmic magnets, always peace, love, oneness, and divine vitality on all energy grids. Ashe.